Hello and welcome everyone. So this is going to be a quick video. I just wanted to show you a little bit about the gameplay effects and gameplay ability, how they work together. I think I skimmed over them in the previous videos and there have been a few questions. So for this video, I'm going to just create a new blueprint class of the type gameplay effect. Okay, this one. Okay, and this is going to be GE Health Regen effect v2 for version 2. So basically what we are going to do in this one is, instead of having an instant modifier, we're going to use the hash duration modifier, so our health gradually increases over time. So for this I'm going to do a magnitude of 5 seconds for the duration. This is going to increase our health for 5 seconds, and for modifier it's going to be health, and it's going to add to our health, and the addition amount would be like, it's going to be +2. Okay, and for the period, this is basically the tick frequency of this gameplay effect. So for every X amount of period, is going to apply this modifier to our health for an amount of 5 seconds. Okay, so for the period I'm going to select 0.1, so this is like a smooth effect. And for the tag, I'm going to give this a tag of let's use the existing one, regen effect. Okay, compile and save this, open up our GA Health Regen, and I'm going to use this health over here. Okay, so now what you should see is, instead of granting us the health immediately, it's going to take us a few time to apply the health gradually over time for 5 seconds. Okay, so you see our health is increasing slowly by 2 for approximately 0.5 seconds, and the change is applied for every 0.1 of a second. See, the change is applied for 5 seconds for 0.1 of a second, and the change that is applied is add 2 to the health attribute. Okay, so just to wrap up, I'm going to show you how basically the ability system component works with gameplay abilities and gameplay effects. So basically what happens is that ability system component has some gameplay abilities, which in turn can cause some gameplay effects. But it is not necessary that the gameplay effects will be caused by the gameplay ability. Some other GE can also cause an effect on the ability system component, and some gameplay effects can also trigger some other external gameplay abilities. Okay, so you do not necessarily need to follow this hierarchy, but just for the understanding sake, understand that ability system component has some gameplay abilities, and those gameplay abilities can trigger some gameplay effects, which in turn acts on some sort of attributes. Okay, they could be like health, mana, something like that. There was another question that if you wanted your health to increase gradually for the user interface, so basically this is the way to go. You set it to hash duration instead of instant, and change the duration to your liking, and set the period to a very low value, so the effect is more smooth movement of this HUD value. So once again, when I press the 1 key, my health is increasing gradually for 5 seconds. Okay, and once it stops after the duration has expired. And I also want to show you the difference between hash duration and infinite. Infinite is basically without this duration magnitude, so it's going to apply indefinitely to the character, and it will keep on going even if we are taking damage. Okay, let's play this and test it out. Now this will cost us mana just once, and it's going to increase our health indefinitely. So this is it for this video. In the next video, we're going to implement our another ability to understand how the gameplay abilities are affected by one another, and we're going to start understanding more of these tags system inside of the gameplay ability. So this is it for this video. Thank you.